everyone and welcome to today's video. Now I've been sent 2 steam engines from Stirling kit to have a look at on the channel. Now today we're going to have a look at this steam engine and the other one we'll have a look at in a separate video. First up we'll have a closer look at the engine, then we'll have a look at getting it running. So this model works on the principles of Hero of Alexandria'S steam turbine, which he made in the 1st century AD. So we have a fire underneath and the ball has water in, and then when you light the fire it boils the water, turns it to steam, and the steam's forced out of the 3 jets which you see on the side of it, and that spins it around. You can't power anything with it, but it shows the principles of a steam turbine and steam power. So to get this running, first we need to take the cap off and fill the small brass ball with water. Once it's about half full of water, we can put the cap back on, light the fire underneath it, and hopefully we'll get some movement out of it. I'm going to stop talking for the rest of the video now so you can see what it's like to get this engine running and how well it runs. There'll be a code on screen at the end of the video where you can get 15% off on this engine, and there'll also be a link in the description and the pinned comment where you can buy it. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope you enjoy this little turbine.